Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you a very simple hair mask that can help prevent hair fall. So keep on watching. So firstly I'm going to take a clean bowl and then I'm going to start adding my ingredients. So the first one is curd. I'm here taking Sachi curd, which is a local brand here, but you can actually use any possible curd. Then I'm going to use this forest herbs curry leaf powder. This is specifically for hair. I got it from Amazon. You can also use fresh curry leaf, make a paste or a powder out of it and use that. But this is a really great product. I've used this before also and I really like it. Next up, I'm just going to mix this up together. We don't really want a very watery consistency. It should be like a paste. And then I'm going to move to my third ingredient, which is coconut oil. My hair feels so dry and really dead, but I'm sure this mask is going to help me. So I'm going to use cold pressed extra virgin coconut oil, which is actually from XoXo, and it is a very good coconut oil, better than your parachute one because that's really commercial and it has a lot of mineral oil. So make sure if you're using coconut oil, it has to be cold pressed and really organic. Okay, and I didn't really tell you how much measurement of the ingredients you need to take, but make sure you just take enough so that you can make a paste out of it. And also, if you have really oily scalp, you might consider avoiding coconut oil, but if you have dry scalp, please add coconut oil. It'll really help you. You can actually not add coconut oil and add other oils as well, so it depends on you. So yeah, I'm just gonna now start applying the paste all over my hair, and while I'm doing that, I'm gonna quickly tell you the benefits of all of these three ingredients that I've used. Okay, so firstly, curd has antibacterial properties. It is also a rich source of vitamin D, which makes it really good for your hair. It also helps prevent and remove dandruff, and also the moisture in the curd or the creaminess of the curd helps with the moisture of the scalp, which makes it really good for your scalp. Secondly, I have used coconut oil. So coconut oil again is a rich source of good fatty acids. It's also again, needless to say, a very great ingredient for your hair. It also helps in cleaning the scalp. And curry leaves are packed with antioxidants. They also promote hair growth. They also act as a mild scrub to your scalp, which makes it a great cleanser. And consumption of curry leaf is also really great if you want hair growth or if you want good hair basically. Okay, so I'm just sectioning my hair and nicely applying the paste all over the roots. You don't really need to go on the length of your hair. On the roots is enough, and that's what I'm doing. Okay, so I'm done applying my hair mask. I'm just going to take all the hair and tie it up in a bun and clutch it and wait for 40 minutes till my hair mask is nicely dried up. Make sure the curd feels stiff when it is dried up because that's when you know that your mask is completely ready to be washed. Okay, so it's been over 40 minutes and you can see that my hair is completely dried and like a little stiff because of the curd. So I'm gonna go wash my hair and see you then. Okay, so I have washed my hair and my hair feels slightly softer, although this mask had nothing to do with softness or smoothness of hair, but my hair feels slightly softer. Shine तो ऐसी कुछ दिख नहीं रही है, but I'm gonna let it dry and I will let you know what are my thoughts. And also, like, this is a hair mask for hair fall, but obviously it will only show results if you keep doing it for 2 to 3 months, and also you'll have to take care of your diet along with the hair mask or any topical product that you use. So yeah, let me get back once my hair is all dry. Okay guys, this is my hair completely dried up and I have like natural waves, but my hair towards the length will be a little straight because I had like smoothing treatment done in the past and kind of regret it now because when your hair grow and when you want your natural curls back, you have to be like really patient. So yeah, and also yeah, so my hair feels a little softer, of course, like, but there's no shine. My hair looks very dry and dead. Can't do anything about it, but yeah, overall it looks nice. But एक दिन में तो hair fall का कुछ पता नहीं चलेगा, honestly, because it's also psychology. When you just do like a hair mask or a face mask, you'll feel, oh wow, instantly my skin is looking good, my hair's feeling good, but you have to like constantly do it for 2 months at least in case of your hair to see some result. And also take care of your diet, like eat dry fruits, walnuts, drink amla juice, have vitamin C, all of these things. Also, I had nothing on my hair, like I had no blow drying or straightening or curling, like nothing done. This is my natural hair, which is why I'm showing you like this, but I will tame my hair a little bit so that they look a little presentable. Yeah, that's it. I'm gonna see you in my next video. I hope you liked this one. If you did, then do not forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel if you already haven't done it. I'll see you next time. Bye.